Guess what song aliens will hear if they ever decide to make contact with us? Across the Universe by the Beatles. On the 4th of February 2008, the scientists in NASA decided to beam out across the universe. They did this not only to celebrate 50 years of NASA, but also 40 years ever since they recorded this track. And this song, it's traveling across the universe at 186,000 miles per second. It's really kind of cool, huh? Now, the reason they chose this track is not on the basis of popularity, but just on personal taste. And thank God, because imagine if they had gone through like the top 10 songs of 2008, they probably would have gone with like Rihanna or Beyonce or Nicki Minaj or Coldplay, who are kind of really cool, huh? So guess who got gifted one of the first Macs ever? Sean Lennon, John Lennon's son. 9-year-old kid has a birthday party. Papa decides to invite all these really cool people. Steve Jobs walks in and decides to gift little Sean the first Mac ever. So there's all these really awesome people at the party and they decide to put the computer on. They're on Mac Paint. Andy Warhol happens to just be there. So everybody says, hey Andy, come on in, like why don't you also check it out? You're an artist, right? So poor Andy, he has no idea what he's supposed to do. He's sitting over there, he's staring at the computer. He takes the mouse, he picks it up and he starts waving it in the air like a paintbrush. There's this former physicist in Barcelona, Manuel Linares, and he's gone and opened his own ice cream parlor where he's sitting and concocting some really awesome ice creams. So he's got this one ice cream, it's called as Zameleon, and Zameleon, which also means as chameleon in Spanish. This ice cream, every time you take a lick of it, okay, because of the reaction of your saliva to the ice cream and the changes in temperature, this ice cream changes color. How awesome is that? He's also working on his second ice cream, which is called as Zamon. Now, Zamon is also made out of plant extracts from Africa and Peru, and it also has some kind of aphrodisiac effect. Dude, how awesome is that? I mean, Mr. Manuel, can you please send some of this ice cream to India? Ice cream, A. Changes color, B. Aphrodisiac effect, C. I think a lot of people would really like that. Also, did you know that goldfish were actually originally silver and they were bred to be yellow in color because the Song Imperial Dynasty liked the color yellow. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. And the last one for today, it's those quick, really funny, quirky, silly thoughts. Poor people used to entertain rich people and now it's the opposite. If Obama became the president of Kenya, then he would be their first white president. And you know, because he's half white. And Apple has air, Amazon has fire, Google has earth. I think Microsoft needs to come up with something that has water. Alright, so that's it from me. Please like, comment and subscribe, and please share some stories so that together we can share some awesome stories with the rest of the world. And next week I'm going to Sri Lanka. I'm going to try and record from there, and let's see, we'll try and have a little bit of fun. And he's really clever. A lot of his music also has speeches from Osho. His current album has a speech from Charlie Chaplin. World that he transports you into. It's so beautiful, so magical, so sublime.